video is a tutorial on how to play the Hasidic Jewish children's game of Kugelach, which is a version of the ancient game Knucklebones or Five Stones. All you need is 5 Kugelach. They are square stones. They can be bought in a local shop for usually $2 to $3. The dice are sort of heavy. They are like 5 little weights, and they have a heft and presence in the hand. Also, a floor. It's best to play this on the floor as the Kugelach tend to roll away. Today we will learn how to play the first full phase, also known as the Erste Kugelech. In the first phase, there are 9 levels. First, let's practice. Throw the Kugelach to set the board. Pick one. Throw it. Quickly slap the floor while it's in the air and catch it back. You now have a Kugelach in your hand. Great. Let's move on. Now throw up the one in your hand, and while it's in the air, grab another one off the floor. With a new one in hand, quickly catch back the one in the air. Do you now have 2 in your hand? Great. Then your turn continues. Now again, you throw one. Grab a third. Catch back the one in air. Do you now have 3 in hand? Great. You keep going. Now again, throw one. Grab Kugelach number 4 off the board. When you catch it back, you have 4 in your palm. We repeat. In a swoop, throw one. Keep the rest in your palm. Grab number 5 off the floor quickly before the Kugelach comes down. If you caught the one that came down, now everything should be in your palm. If you can do all this, you have completed Onesies and can move on to Twosies. At any time that you do not execute the level correctly, you're out and pass the Kugelach to your playing mate. When it's your turn again, you start at the beginning of the level you're up to. For Twosies, you catch 2 at a time. So, pick the closest 2 to each other, that's easier, but make sure not to touch the other 2. If at any point you touch a Kugelach that you don't intend to catch, you're out and it's the next player's turn. Again, keep the caught Kugelach in your hand through the round. For threesies, you throw up one, and while it's in the air, you grab 3 and then catch back the one in the air. Then, throw up 1 from your hand, leave the other 3 in your palm, and grab the last leftover one off the floor. For foursies, you don't set a board. It's all in your palm. Throw up 1, put 4 down quickly in time to catch the one in the air. Now, we do the same thing, but with picking up 4 instead of putting it down. So throw 1, pick up 4 off the floor, catch the 1, so there are 5 in your palm. Again, you start with everything in your hand. Throw up all 5 and try to catch them all with the back of your hand. If you caught all 5, just throw them back to return them to your palm. If you only catch 4, you can pick up the 5th and put it on the back of your hand, and again, throw it all up and return it all to your palm. But if you only caught 3 on the back of your hand, then you put 2 down next to one of the Kugelach on the floor. Throw up the one left in your hand and catch 3. Now, throw 1 up, put the 3 in your hand, back down next to the last Kugelach, catch, throw again, and catch all 4. Now, if you caught only 2 when you started the round, you do the same, starting with putting down 1. If you only catch 1, you're out. Now set the board. Start by throwing up 1 and catching 1, just like in the Onesies level. What's different with the Kugelach level is that we throw both Kugelach when we have 2 in the hand, not just 1. While 2 are in the air, you grab the 3rd off the floor and catch back both. Now, you do the same, throwing up 3 while picking up Kugelach number 4. Do the same for the 5th, ending with all Kugelach in your palm. Now this level has an extra flourish after you are done. It's called Patch. You throw all 5 up, slap the floor, and catch them all. Set the board on the floor. Now throw up one, pick up another, and catch. Now throw only one, and as it's in the air, quickly exchange the one that's still in your palm for a Kugelach on the floor. Do this again for all the Kugelach on the floor. For the last one, throw one, put down one, and don't collect anything. You should have one in hand and a board of 4. You throw up the one in your hand, grab all 4 from the floor, and catch back the one in the air. Start with all 5 in hand. Hold one down with your thumb. Throw 4, put one down, catch the 4 back. Do this until you have 4 on the board. Now throw the one in your hand, grab all 4, and catch. An alternative way to play Putsies is placing one Kugelach in your pinky. While holding the others tightly in your palm, throw up one, put down the Kugelach in your pinky, and catch. Repeat until you have a board of 4. Now throw up the last Kugelach in your hand, grab all 4, and catch. Start by making a bridge or an underpass with your forefinger and thumb. Set the board with your other hand. Throw one, and while it's in the air, push another one through your little underpass and catch back the one in the air. Repeat for the next one, but if when you push the second one through, it touches the one that you already pushed under, then you are out. Keep going until you are left with just one in hand. Now just slide it under the bridge. Now you can let go of the underpass. Pick one, throw it up, and catch it all together. This completes the Kugelech, the first phase. The game goes up to many phases. Each phase contains these 9 levels, but the levels get increasingly more difficult with each phase. Good luck and happy playing! If you're interested in more content on Kugelach, check out my video with the singer Ricky Rose, where she teaches me the game and we discuss many other Hasidic children's games.